So concept 0 on the arc or the Cliff Quizlette, right? You're gonna fill this thing in, and then what's true? First off, what's always true about projectile motion problems? Max got something.
The gravity is -9.8.
Yeah. So I'm gonna say it's -9.8, right? Time's the same, right? So once you find time on one side, you'll have it on the other side. And since we know the height of the cliff, you're going to figure out time on this side. These guys are the same. And then Max said that this guy is 0, that we don't accelerate horizontally, right? And then it's always true that these guys are the same. If the velocity can't change, your initial always equals your final, right? So whatever they are, right? That's true. And then what's true for a cliff problem where you run off a horizontal cliff? What is true about your velocity? What? If it's a purely horizontal velocity, what's true about your vertical velocity? It's 0, yeah. So for cliff problems, this is not always true, but for this kind of problem, right? Right? So for a problem like this where we're running off a cliff, I'm just getting you started here, right? And this problem, red elk is going to run off the cliff, right? The initial vertical velocity is 0, okay? So the first thing I want you to do is fill these things in. I think you know this. You can surmise what this is. I think you know what this is. And then you can solve for this. You can solve for this. You can solve for this. And you can solve for that, okay? So do that now. I'm not going to do it for you. You need to do it for yourself. And if you don't do it for yourself, if you can't do it for yourself, get with some people that are doing it. Move yourself physically from your group, okay? If you don't do it for yourself, one would have to ask you why you're in this classroom at all. Yeah. Yeah, work on it. Work through it. Because you can help these guys. Vertical distances, yeah, down 6.4, yeah. Okay. I'm going to work on my version. You guys are going to work on your version. Oh, our formulas are, let me put our formulas on the board. We're going to use VF is VI plus AT. We're going to use X is 1/2 VI plus VF. We're going to use X. We're also going to use V is X over T, horizontally only, right?